I am back with something new and something different. You already know what time it is. It's your girl, Miss Golden. First of all, I just want to say Happy New Year. I know we in February. It's been a long time, but I just had some stuff going on. As you can see, I have a cold. I'm getting over a cold. So I'm just happy to be back with some new content and baby, I got the box right here. The box is right here. So this is what I'm doing today. Today I'm going to be doing a lipstick swatch slash lip liner and a little bit of eyeliner from Kylie Jenner. So this is the Kylie Cosmetics line. This is her new lipstick that just launched January 22nd of 2020. This is when her new lipstick and lip liner and eyeliner came out. So when I open up the box, it looks like this. So I have the lipsticks here, and it's actually a combo. Got these, a little squishy thing, Kylie. So special. And then a nice little card, Kylie, and you know, like her little message on it. You know, let's go ahead and get on in it, baby. The three colors that I got is Rendezvous. This is like a red color. It's matte. You see the box right here. The next one is Kylie. Another matte one is like a nudish pink nude color. And the last one is called Fall in Love, and this is a red color. So I'm going to go over all the products and put them on my lips and everything like that. So stay tuned. I forgot to mention that I got this eyeliner too. It's Kylie Jenner liquid liner pen. Like, I want to try it, so do some swatches on that. So the first color I'm trying on is the Kylie Mac. When you open it up, first thing you see is a lip liner, and then in there is the lipstick, darling. When you open it, it's just a traditional type of lipstick. Y'all know I like to smell stuff. This almost smells like chocolate. I'm gonna go with chocolate. So when you swipe it, it's matte. When I swipe it on my hand, isn't that pretty? Let's see if I can get it in there so you guys can see it some type of way. But it looks very pretty, very pigmented, and from the feel of it, yes, it is matte, but it feels kind of creamy. I don't think this will like dry your lip out. And let's go ahead and swatch that lip liner. So the good thing about this is like it matches the same color to lipstick. So I don't know how that will work out with the darker shade color, my melanin sisters. This is what the lip liner looks like. But you know what I'm gonna do? We're gonna get this bad boy and test it out. Lip liner. I like to line my lips first so I know where to put my lipstick at. You know, some people like to overdo it or overextend their lip. To me, as of right now, it looks ashy to me. But you know what? I feel like we can pull it off, y'all. What I like to do before I put on my lipstick is I like to put on a moisturizer. Because I feel like when you have on matte lipstick or liquid matte lipsticks, it dries your lips out. So, and then you end up looking crazy. And you know, we don't like to look crazy. At least I don't. So what I can tell is that the application is smooth. Smooth. This is just me. This is bright on me. I don't like my lipsticks to look like this. I like to tone it down with a dark brown lip liner, smudge it on in and have an ombre effect. So what I can tell you so far pertaining to this lipstick is that it's not drying. I know sometimes when I put on my matte lipstick, it is so drying, and when you apply it on, the application is not smooth and it's very bumpy. But with this right here, if I can go like this, and my lips feel moist, baby, it's moist, okay? So I got my MAC lip liner in the color chestnut. So you know, and when I turn it down, it looks like this. Now I feel like this fits me much better. I love it. Like I said, if I can go like this with my lips, it's moisturizing to me. Okay, so the next color that I'm going to try on is Rendezvous. This color is almost like a burnt orange type of color. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand right here, and this is what it looks like. Very smooth application. It looks good. It smells really good. So you guys know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put on the lip liner first. Well, first, let me swatch it for you. Swatch it up over here. Very pretty. Very pigmented. I love it. Doesn't get any better than that. So what I'm gonna do, you know what I do. Lip liner, then put the lipstick on. So this is actually a very pretty color. That it may look a little ashy in the beginning, but once you put on that lipstick with it, it like blends seamlessly together, and that's what you want. You don't want it two different colors and looking all crazy. Who wants to look crazy these days, you know? I definitely don't. But this is it right here. Now for the lipstick, look closely. See how that blend in with it? And then I'm not even finished. I haven't even done anything all the way. This is the final look. You know what I'm gonna do? Go in with my chestnut. Darken it up just a little bit for an everyday type of look. This is what it looks like. I love it. It's a very pretty color. Oh my gosh. So the last color that I have, it is called Fall in Love. Y'all gonna fall in love with me. Same one as I said before. Now this color, I can't get it out the package, y'all. Lipstick is way down there. Ooh. So this is like an orangey type of color, but this, now this is like a pink red right there. You see it? It's a pinkish. It's in the pink family, but it's a deep pink red, and this is like an orange red. So, and this is like a matte pink. And then when you put on the lip liner, put it right there. What the hell? Okay, y'all, I have good news. Now, if this ever breaks on you like it broke on me, or if it goes down, don't fret, don't worry. Guess what? You can sharpen it. So I am happy about that, because I just let you know that it's very delicate and you have to be careful, because you just don't want this stuff breaking on you. So I didn't get to finish doing my swatch, but here's the swatch. Look at it, y'all. So this is the swatch, what it looks like. This looks a little bit lighter to me than the lipstick, but you know what? That is okay. I guess they did it so it blends in a little bit better. So the lipstick on, my bad, y'all. Oh, This smells pretty good. And you know what I noticed too? I'm not gonna break the lipstick, but when you push it all the way up, if some of you don't know, it says Kylie on it. Let me zoom in for y'all so y'all can see it. I don't know if you can see it, maybe the glare, but it says Kylie on there. Y'all know I love red, right? To me, this how this is looking on me. I feel like I can wear this without a brown lip liner. But y'all know me and my lip liners, honey. Y'all know me. I gotta pull it out. But what I am, I put on the brown lip liner, and I love her lipsticks. The quality is like, it's perfect. It's a matte lipstick, however, I feel like it still adds moisture to your lips. I'm going like this, and I could move my lips freely. Normally when you have like a liquid lipstick, a matte or anything like that, it's very dry. And typically I usually put on like a moisturizer before to help not dry out my lips completely. But the formula on this is great. Perfect. The lipsticks have a different scent. Smooth application. It's not bumpy when I apply it on. Even in my lips, when I apply it on, it's a very smooth process, and it transitions seamlessly. Liquid liner pen, and it's in the color black. I've always wanted to try her eyeliner. This was new as well. It looks like this. You got Kylie on there. Kylie liner. Take it off so you guys can see what's going on. And oh snaps, you see how dark that is? And it's almost like a liquid brush. You know how some liquid liner is the pen, it's like a marker. It doesn't look like that. Like sometimes when you get black liner like this, it fades away or it doesn't come out this dark, but it's very dark. I like this a lot. I like this. Let's see this one here. No smudge, and I'm rubbing. Smudge prone. I like that. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, these are all of the products that I purchased. I just want to put a disclaimer, a full disclaimer, that this is my own opinion. I was not paid or coerced to like this product. I genuinely like this product. This is what all of the products looks like. I like them a lot. Like I said, it's very moisturizing to the lips. It comes with a set, so you get a lip liner and a lipstick for $26. And according to the website, it says that the new Kylie liquid liner pen features a brush tip to provide a precise application. The highly pigmented and ultra saturated brown formula dries quickly and does not fade or transfer, leaving a beautiful and precise line, which is actually true. They ain't lying about that. That's facts. Because I done put this on and dried and I'm rubbing, and it ain't moved, it ain't budged or nothing yet. So this is a great quality. If you want to get this, this is an investment, and it's a great investment. It's $18. You cannot beat that. I've had some liquid liners that rub off on my face if I touch it, you know, and be running all over the place. Who wants to look like that? Like you've been crying all night? I don't. So I really like it. It's a great investment. I love these lipsticks, and I love the lip liners as well. And this is, like I said, this is my honest review. And go ahead and run to the store and go ahead and get you some. Alright, I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, give me a comment below. Don't forget to like this video so I can create more content like this, or you know, let me know which one was your favorite lipstick on me, or how would you wear it. You know, comment that below in the comment section. Don't forget to hit that bell notification in the corner to let me know. Oh, so you can be notified when I create new content. You know, I want you guys to stay updated. So go ahead and hit that bell notification, and I will see you on in my next video. Ciao.